So SONCL is the Society of Nurse Innovators,
Mm-hmm.
scientists, entrepreneurs, and leaders. And it's this organization that started about 2 years ago, which it's amazing everything that the people who belong to this organization have done for the profession, and where the future is going to be, with all of us really giving the chance for other nurses to be involved in these type of things, so innovation, meaning nurses are at the forefront of every device. They use every device, every technology in the hospital, and we're never asked how does this technology will serve you, or if that design is it's well suited for our workflow, or all these things. So
Mm-hmm.
we do have an expertise, and we're well positioned to be part of these solutions.
Yes.
Innovation can also mean you make a prototype, you make something new, or changing a system that
Mm-hmm.
it's an innovative way to do it. So it's not always about technology, but it can be just a new way to do it. It can be high tech or low tech. It could be putting a poster in a patient room and doing something different. So there's many ways to innovate. So I think we are all, SONCL believes that every nurse is an innovator. So we need to tap that, and creativity heals. We create something, and that's just a really beautiful road to heal ourselves in putting something out there in the world that comes from a place of love, from a place of I want to make things better.
Yeah.
So that's the innovation part. Entrepreneurship, we are, again, well suited to start our businesses or change things inside our institutions. So intrapreneurship, leadership. There's many nurses who have gone through the path that are more than willing to mentor us, to show us the ways, and always being in community. We learn from each other and we grow with each other. And scientists, we are nurses who can bring so many, our curiosity, and find evidence that can really better the way we care for our patients.
Mm-hmm.
Um, there is the methodologies that we need to learn as nurses, to make good research, to publish good research, good evidence. We need to, we're all nurses, no matter if we have PhDs or master's degrees, bachelor's, at any level, we can do some kind of research.
Absolutely, because at every level, we're impacting and touching people's lives. So you're absolutely right. Something that I really enjoyed was you actually had an interview on the Drew Barrymore show. Can you give us? I'm just like, I just want a little behind the scenes. How was that experience for you?
That was, yeah.
I couldn't think of anyone better to
Oh.
represent nurses because you have the presence and the heart of a nurse. How was that opportunity for you?
It was really amazing. Thanks, Cassie. It was great. And when I was asked to do it, I think, as someone who has not been actively, in the public,
Mhm.
it was scary to say yes to something like that.
Mhm.
But I think, thinking that, um, having a voice in a space that it's, national space or things like
Mhm.
that, it was a responsibility, a call that I had to honor.
Yeah.
And I think we do it with courage, and we do it with love. So I
Yeah.
think I think that was part of the experience for me, to grow in that sense of, okay, I need to start feeling more comfortable putting my voice out.
Yes.
And like you giving this a space as well. We come with
Mhm.
courage, we come with love, and every nurse can do that. We have the potential to do it.
Mhm.
So I think that part
Absolutely.
was definitely important. Seeing, everybody in the show is so nice, so kind.